Hello students, welcome to Easy Learn Urdu Medium. In today's video, we will solve the English Bridge course 10th class activity number 1. So let's start. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Guest. I see doctor visiting my neighbor's house. Somebody must be ill. I-double-L, ill. The clouds are gathering in the sky. It might rain. RAIN, ran in the evening. Road is wet, road and slippery. Walk carefully or you may fall down. FALL, fall down. The sun rise in the east. The EAST, east. Lockdown in my district is lift up when we school reopen. REOPEN, reopen. Vegetables are excellent source of vitamins. Microscopes make small things appear larger than they are. They are. An apple a day keeps doctor 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 away. The pineapple, a fruit, grows in tropical climates throughout the world. Is native to parts of South America. है ना, GROWS, grows. What's wrong with you? You look worried, sad. है ना, what's wrong with you? You look sad. Thanks for watching.